Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at weights in the transport sector. What topics are covered in this tutorial? Curb mass, TARE mass, gross vehicle mass, payload capacity, gross combination mass, and axles. Curb mass or curb weight is the mass of the vehicle in running order, unoccupied and unladen, with all fluid reservoirs filled to nominal capacity, including fuel, and with all standard equipment. Curb mass or curb weight is the same as TARE mass, but with a full tank of fuel and without any accessories fitted, bull bars, tow bars, roof racks, etc. Think of it as your standard vehicle literally parked at the curb and ready for you to get in and drive away. TARE mass is the mass of a vehicle other than L group vehicles such as mopeds, motorcycles, and motor tricycles, ready for service, unoccupied and unladen, with all fluid reservoirs filled to nominal capacity except for fuel, which shall be 10 litres only, and with all standard equipment and any options fitted. This is the weight of an empty standard vehicle with all of its fluids, oils, coolants, but with only 10 litres of fuel in the tank. We assume 10 litres was chosen as an industry standard to allow otherwise empty vehicles to be driven to and from a weighbridge. Gross vehicle mass is the total permissible combined weight of the vehicle, including occupants, fuel, and cargo. The GVM is the maximum weight that a truck can carry, including its own weight. This is the maximum or total weight of a loaded rigid vehicle, including body, payload, fuel, and driver. It is a figure set by the manufacturer and is lodged with registration authorities and governs all applications and is stamped on the compliance plate of the vehicle, also referred to as GVW or gross vehicle weight. Below are the ranges of GVM, for example, for each of the key Isuzu truck range. Payload capacity is the difference between GVM of the vehicle and its TARE mass. Gross combined mass, also known as gross combination mass, GCM, is the total permissible combined weight of the vehicle and trailer / caravan being towed, including occupants, fuel, and cargo. The GCM is given for the total weight a truck can carry and tow. This is the maximum weight of a loaded articulated vehicle or combination vehicle, such as a prime mover with semi-trailer and or trailers, also referred to as GCW, gross combination weight. Below are the ranges of GCM for each of the key Isuzu truck range. GCM equals the weight of the truck plus equipment plus the weight of the trailer plus the payload. The GCM on the ground should not exceed the manufacturer's GCM rating, and trucks cannot be loaded to exceed the truck's GVM or individual axle capacities, even if the total combination weight is lower than the rated GCM. Axles. Single axle set means either one axle with single tire or with dual tire. Tandem axle set means there are two axles and all axles contain an equal number of tires. Triaxle set means there are 3 axles and all axles contain an equal number of tires. Twin steer axle set means an axle set of two axles with single tires where both axles are connected to the same mechanism in order to steer similarly. Quad axle set means a set of 4 axles where all axles contain an equal number of tires and none of the tires is a single standard tire. Question: is it possible to be overweight on an axle when the vehicle weight is equal to or less than its GVM? Yes. As well as an overall weight, vehicle manufacturers will specify an overall weight allowable for each axle. So even if your total weight is under the specified GVM, you may still be over the individual axle's weight. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training.